I'll be analyzing US30 from the weekly time frame to the lowest time frame, from my support and resistance zones. Let's go. Let me show you how do I take my entries and my exit from my technical analysis. Now I'm moving to the daily time frame so that you can see how do I place my trend lines and trend within trends, so that everyone can learn about those. Level ngaba dikhoni bakhoni to simple, guys, because moka simplify labo. So so there is the inner trend and the outer trend. That one is the inner trend, that one is the outer trend. For those who don't understand why Kira so, but then it's simple so, because you can see the leg, there's a two touch there. There's a higher possibility that it can touch a outer trend. So yeah. So zuna ke ngwashiwe no ke go 4 hour time frame, so that ke khone go like entry, like the it look at the best possible entry, like ke thoma ke tsena mo. So yeah, but then re ke check from komrao ke le bontshe like the trend within a trend, a trend within a trend, like quarter trend line on a trend the door near. So yeah, kono like it changes from nearly a bearish momentum, then a change a bullish momentum, but there is a want to work, and there's a trend within a trend, because it's a bearish momentum, then it changing to be a bullish momentum on more. So guys, there is now get music in the background, can analyze a good quality music. So today I get to be happy, guys. I'm not smoking happily today. ekuseni inhlonipho ishiyephi sabuye emagcekeni awungithina semoyeni bayetha komalume bazocela ukuthi wena ulala maningi. Yeah, relationship it's a problem all over the world, yo. Especially in South Africa, yo, it's a problem. Serious one. Relationships, perfect. But we know that those who are going to milk the market, they are going to solve those problems easier, because women will come after you. They will come after what you have. But it's better people coming after you than you going after them or chasing them. Chase. So support zone, this is a strong support zone. There are more than 2 confirmations, trend line and a support zone also. So I'm over for to katana buy. But then remember, buy it low, sell it high. Buy it low, sell it high. 1 hour time frame. I wanna I can only support Zoom more. So support Zoom sintwele silimo 1 hour. Kodi mkwakero argenki resistance Zoom. Pattern I'm not sure for monkey, but then kiko into important etlaganya di zone hore excessive go resistance zone. It can fall very badly. Anamo ke bona di sell. US30 will fall this week. According to analysis, STP awashiwe. Then if it breaks, suppose zone, I'll be willing to risk another entry for, that's my target. So I really want to forecasting but le ka tsamaya straight yone e ka tsamaya straight ya sela. But then this is my opinion for this week. So guys, please subscribe so that get the more content there. Thank you.